Welcome! If you want everyone to see the people, pages, and lists you follow on Facebook using the latest update on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your following list visible to everyone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Click on Settings to enter your account settings area. Now scroll down the left-hand side menu until you find the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open more options related to your followers and the visibility of your activity. Here, look for the setting called Who Can See the People, Pages, and Lists that you follow. This is the key option you need to adjust. By default, it might be set to Friends or something more private. To make your following list visible to everyone, select Public. Once you've chosen Public, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. That's it. Now anyone who visits your profile can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. This update is perfect if you want to connect with more people, share your interests, or simply make your profile more open and engaging. Remember, you can always return to these settings and change your preferences whenever you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite social media apps. See you in the next video.